Hi guys, welcome back again to another beautiful day. It's me again, Rosa Kachi in the building. In today's video, I am going to share with you the brand content on YouTube that you can get paid on your content and on your video. Those videos that you are thinking that those videos are not going well, this is the right time for you to start your brand content. If you're a new YouTuber, this video is for you because new content creators that don't know how to go about this brand content. I am going to explain to you one by one and what is the benefit of you having a brand content in your video or in your channel is very important. So now YouTube make it very easy for all the content creator for you to have your brand content inside your studio. What you need to do is just to apply, give them one or two, and I'm going to share it with you guys here. If you're interested in this kind of video, please sit back and let's get started. So as you guys can see on my dashboard, you will see here something called a brand content. Get paid to include the brand content in your video and keep creativity control and the pack who you work with. It's very important that yes, when you click it up, now you want to click it. This one actually is made by you. YouTube make it easy for a new content creator like you and I. And yes, guys, that is why I bring this tutorial today for you to understand what you need to do. Now, you will see up here that a brand content, congratulations, you have qualified for our brand content. Yeah, this is a program that YouTube really put out for a new content creator, old content creator. And here you see how this one works. Get a brand deal. Yes, you need to get a brand deal by you reviewing the offer, work with the brand directly from YouTube studio. That is very important. Get ready to create. So now when the brand people reach you, you will have a massive time for you to create a video for them. You need to just sign up after you have already get what you need. Match with your campaign and also liking, and at the moment people really will love this job. Yeah, so now what do you need to do? The next step is that take advantage of your analysis. Okay, customize your media kick because this one is from Media Kick. They're the one who sponsor this on YouTube. So also there are so many ways that you can go down on it, and here, yeah, you can see here those are the people who actually expired those kind of content and they are into the brands. Those are big YouTubers. Let's get started, guys. Now what you need to do is for you make sure that you put your name here. Okay, the brand content is for you to put your full name here. You need to put your email here and you need to put your company name here. Okay, so please make sure that you put the right name. So let's go. Hi ma'am, how are you? I believe you're doing well. Please, I need your email, backup email, okay, for a brand content. I want to set up your brand content for you. Okay, yeah, thank you. So as you guys can see now, I'm going to add the email here and then I will click the approve, and then I understand everything which is wrote down here. Click accept, and yes, it's very important for you to put your price. Yes, so because at this moment you want to cash out, right? Please put your price as much as you want. Let's say my duration is 200, okay, which is how much am I going to put now? Let's say 17,000. All right, so the lesser price it can go is 10,000. Okay, and then let's check next, and then you will see my email and all the other things detail which is need to be done. and bam, is done. Okay, and now I am done putting my own brand deal. So at this moment now, anytime that I have a brand collaborate or I have a deal, I will get a message here and I will get a message inside my email, which I provided at the first place before. So, my beautiful people, I believe now you know how to connect with your brand content and also get paid with your brand content inside your studio. Get the best deal out of it, and this is for all the people. Like sometimes they put for some content and also they put what they want anyway. So yeah, I believe you guys have already know how to set up your brand content monetization or brand content for you to get a brand deal content. All right. Thank you so much and God bless you guys. Please do us a favor by like, share, subscribe, leave your beautiful question, opinion in the comment section. If you have anything to say, please let me know in the comment section. If you have something to share or you don't know how to go about it, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much and God bless you guys. See you again in my next video and bye for now.